one going?
Like, she trying to beat me. It wasn't about me. I'm like, the bike is right there.
I know, and she didn't look my way. I'm like, ain't nobody out here.
She gave me a heart attack. I'm like, Jesus, hit me, don't hit the bike.
Yeah, and like, who's out here? But nobody. Ain't no traffic going on, you know?
I don't even know. She was trying to beat me to get in front of me while I'm coming, even though I had the right away because
Yeah.
she was turning in. But she didn't even see you. She
Yeah.
didn't see you.
It's a good thing that I didn't turn left because I was turning left.
Yes.
But I kind of waited a little bit. I saw her. It looked like she was kind of anxious to get out.
Yeah, right.
And soon enough, she came on out.
I was like, Jesus, did he hit? Did she hit him? Then I seen you going like this. I was like, maybe he's just gonna stop and get
Yeah.
a break.
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna